enjoy this content, if you like it, please think to tap the like button below, subscribe, and share this video with people that you would think would be interested. With that out the way, let's get to it. What is the purpose of filing an extension? And what are some of the benefits and pitfalls of filing an extension?
Well, I want to say something. I hope it does not cause an issue or a jinx. The filing extension, what it does not, and this is very important, so let me make sure I say this very clearly. Filing an extension does not extend the time of payment or what you owe on taxes. You're just extending the form, not the money. So if you owe, you're going to receive a penalty and interest if it's in excess of $1,000 if you file your federal return, regardless if you file an extension. Mm-hmm. All monies for any tax liability in excess of $1,000 is due by January 15th, the last extension date of that year. So for this year, for 2023, by January 15th of 2024, all monies that you owe that's in excess of $1,000 should have been paid via estimated tax payments. If you owe more than $1,000 when you file your tax return, you will receive a penalty and interest on that. The extension just allows you to extend the form for 6 months for an individual to 10/15, for a business from 3/15 to 9/15, and from 4/15 to 10/15. So it extends for 6 months. It does not keep you from paying penalties and interest.
Man, I'm so glad for that clarity. I'm glad the way you started it, because I've heard about it. I've heard you mention it before. I personally have never done it before, but I hear about a lot of people who do it and they resort to it, and I just never was clear on it, never knew. I'm interested, the reason why I asked the question, but not for the purpose of wanting to do it. But now that I know, that was the whole thing, and I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who's very interested in the depths of that. So once again, I appreciate that, and I know that that's going to be well received by a lot of people who are just unclear or may have thought it did other things than what that is.
No, it just extends the form. Take advantage of an extension on a few different reasons. One, if you haven't gathered all your documentation and you need that little additional time to make sure you're filing an accurate return, that tax preparer accountant may be busy at that time. You don't want to rush job. File an extension. If you're looking, saying, I'm just not quite, I don't have all my documentation, I'm just not sure, file an extension. Don't be afraid of it. But if you don't have to, and you know you're solid, you know you have everything, then yeah, of course, file on time.